Yes, thank you, viewers. We're getting to our 10,000 views worldwide. That's quite a feat for a music like this, coming from somebody who is not a musician, professional musician. All right, I want to seize this opportunity to thank God as we start. We need a modern man. We need a blessed man. We need a blessed man to lead us. In Africa, we need a modern man. We need a blessed man. We need a modern man to lead us. In Africa, we need a modern man. We need a blessed man. We need a modern man to lead us. We need a modern man. We need a blessed man. We need a modern man to lead us. In Africa, we need a modern man. We need a blessed man. We need a modern man to lead us to the top. We need a modern man. We need a blessed man. We need a modern man to lead us. Like in America, we need a blessed man. Do you know the mark of a blessed man? Do you know the mark of a blessed man? Emperor Haile Sallasie is blessed. General Murtala Mohammed is blessed. Chief OBAFEMI AWOLOWO is blessed. President Abraham Lincoln is blessed. Reverend Martin Luther King is blessed. God blessing is very important. A blessed man pass the blessing to others. He loves justice. Oh, he loves justice. Equal right. Human right. He's not corrupt at all. We need a blessed man. We need a modern man. We need a blessed man to lead us. In Africa, we need a blessed man. We need a modern man. We need a blessed man to lead us to the top. We need a blessed man. We need a modern man. We need a blessed man to, like in America, we need a blessed man. We need a modern man. We need a blessed man to lead us. We need a blessed man. We need a modern man. We need a blessed man to lead us. Like in America, we need a blessed man. We need a blessed man. We need a blessed man to lead us. Out of poverty, we need a blessed man. We need a blessed man. We need a blessed man to lead us. Everybody, you gotta aspire. You gotta aspire. Be a blessed man and lead us. You gotta aspire. You gotta aspire. You gotta aspire and lead us. You gotta aspire. You gotta aspire. You gotta aspire and lead us. Aspiration, 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 aspiration. You gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, and out of poverty, you gotta aspire, gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, and lead us out of poverty. Gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, and lead us. Kids, you gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, and lead us. Everybody, you gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, and take us out of poverty. Gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, you gotta aspire, and lead us like in America. Thank you, viewers. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you very much.